Imagine pocketing an extra $12,000 every week, using a method so simple, you'll wonder why you didn't think of it first. Sound too good to be true? Stick around and I'll show you how it's done. In this digital era, opportunities for making money are not only abundant, but they're also more accessible than ever before. We're talking about a strategy that requires zero investment, is completely legal, and can be done from the comfort of your own home. What's the catch, you ask? There isn't one. This method doesn't require you to be a tech wizard or a marketing genius. It's as easy as copy and paste. Yes, you heard right, copy and paste. It's a method that's been under your fingertips all this time. And no, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate, tried and tested strategy. Ready to discover the secret? Keep watching. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter. This method is as simple as copy and paste, and it's completely legal and legitimate. You might be wondering, is it really that simple? Yes, indeed. In our digital era, the opportunities are endless. You'd be surprised by the power of a simple copy and paste. This method requires no special skills, no upfront investment, and most importantly, it's completely above board. Here's a little teaser. This method revolves around leveraging the power of the internet and one of the most popular freelancing platforms out there. You won't need to create anything from scratch. Instead, you'll be sourcing high-demand digital products and offering them to a ready and waiting market. But wait, there's more. This isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. You won't need to spend hours scouring the internet for these products. There are trusted websites designed to do this heavy lifting for you. All you need to do is copy the product details from one site and paste it onto another. It's as easy as that. You're probably thinking, this sounds too good to be true. But let me assure you, it's not. This method is already being used by many savvy freelancers around the globe, and they're reaping the benefits. Remember, the key to this method is to find the right digital products that are in high demand. This is where your intuition and a bit of market research come in handy. But don't worry, we'll delve deeper into this in the next scene. Now you might be itching to know which platform we're going to use for this method. This platform is globally recognized and it's trusted by millions around the world. It's a marketplace that connects freelancers with prospective clients, and it's a hub of endless opportunities. So, what's the secret weapon? It's a platform you might have heard of, Fiverr. Now, it's time to get down to business. Here is the step-by-step process to start earning with this copy-paste method. First things first, you need to set up your Fiverr account. It's just like creating any other online account. You need to provide some basic details, create a username and password, and voila, you're all set. The next step is to find high-demand services. These are services that people are willing to pay good money for. They could be anything from logo design to article writing. Look for services that are popular and have a high number of orders. Once you've identified these services, it's time to outsource them. You can do this by finding freelancers who offer the same services at a lower cost. Websites like Upwork and Freelancer are great places to start. But remember, choosing the right freelancer is key. Look at their portfolio, read reviews from previous clients, and make sure they can deliver quality work. It's always better to pay a bit more for a reliable freelancer than to risk your reputation with subpar work. Lastly, you need to manage the process. Make sure the freelancer delivers the work on time and to the client's satisfaction. Then simply mark the order as complete on Fiverr and the payment will be released to you. And just like that, you're on your way to earning $12,000 per week. So there you have it. A simple, easy-to-follow method that could have you earning $12,000 per week. With this trusted strategy, you're not just making money, you're creating a sustainable income stream. It's all about leveraging the power of the internet and tapping into its potential. So gear up, it's time to embark on this exciting journey. Don't wait another minute. Start earning today, and remember to share this method with others. Until next time, happy earning.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, post us a comment below, and subscribe to the channel to make some serious cash. Happy money making.